car. Why my car doing? You know much drive, I look for my car and I hold my peace and I pray and I hold my peace doing. I don't want to set the world for you, madam. You hear that? Hold your composure. You walk a ball, say me stab you. One stab me give, brother. I want my car doing. It's so long me I hold my peace, brother. Because I say, Queenie, you're married and your friend over married. Be respectable. Try to do something for her different. But stop pour the beer. Chin. Chin. Where? You're the on Instagram. I tell you for go suck him mother. I yarn him my bread. Me see you with my eye with him, brother, you know. Nothing wrong with that. But don't you remember that it's the same brother that you got, the same man got the same brother, and me, your wife, tell her for go suck your mother, you say, you're not going to ever forgive me. You're going to eat me till you're dead for that. Remember you tell me that, Dewey, and when I say to you, say, I'm sorry to you, I apologize to your mom, but I'm not sorry. You don't understand the logic of words and power. Yes, I apologize, but I don't sorry because it's already happened. No, Dewey. You say me I set man per you. Me not set no man per you, darling. I me alone come up cat burn pen in the car. I me alone come in at the party do it. Me not have to set no man per you. You tell your mother say me tell man for kill you, you hate me. Do it listen. Not tell no lie. Me say me won't make man take you out take you. I me tell him I go to a police station. So this is getting behind the blood clot. You me a fool. Vivian, I carry fuck your girl and I drive up and down with it or whatever you do with it and your brethren them. I still don't stay silent do it because I shame. Me not have no blood clot shame. I want my vehicle. If you wanted to be a husband and stand by me, you know that I got through all the way you got through. So if you don't appreciate me, I'm so terrible. Don't appreciate my vehicle, brother. And me work hard for you, do yes, you did it, and support me many times, but God bless the support you give me, and that's the truth. And because you say I appreciate you, you know, do nothing, you take the piss. And that's a fact. I cuddle you, I talk to you nice. All you do is walk a school face and straight to all the man mad over you and be a girl in your phone, and when the girl in my class you, and you can't get fit, the way you do, you take it out from me. Do it, I want my vehicle. You like the disgrace. You think some about get you like when girls suck your cocky and this. I mean, why you suck my pussy and talk to you suck my pussy. I want you harbour more than me as man. Me make sure I tell you, I say, do it. Me now put you back on internet. Don't go on internet and provoke me. Deal with disrespect. Remember, I run well if you come down here, do it. I want me to you do it. I want my vehicle. When you cock up in a ear bed and sleep on the phone and ping on something, if I ask you for do something, I be an attitude they give me if I lift 10 bag. I not ask you can you go bite off my neck and throw me, I got everybody expects me this drunk girl, I'm a loud and awful. Everybody point finger for me, do me want my vehicle. I know you me want. So when you talk about my friend over you cocky, I done tell you already. So I tell one man who me there with, say I fuck 9 times one man who me there with, and him say you're mad. Then me go fuck you 24 times. And him reach 17. You never blood clot fuck me 17 times for one day. So don't blood clot go on like me a cocky blood clot either. Cause if me that cocky either, a beer man would have fuck out your dirty wife. You hear that? And you know me one blood clot one man to me go to eat that blood clot wife. You style blood clot me I walk and ball. I ball to people. I'm afraid of my wife. Afraid of your blood clot when you suck out my pussy do it. I want to you. Don't blood clot paint a picture up on blood clot. Me glad. You so long me I hold it like a blood clot G. Don't draw me out do it. The whole on the suck blood clot pussy. Pussy for suck. I not discriminate me, I discriminate it. Me I reveal it. When then a blood clot confused and I know me I say move on a big pussy blood clot. I want to know. The whole on when you know yes a girl get pussy suck and I discriminate them. Girl pussy for disrespectful. I want to know. You know much this do with this me. And then when me talk crazy, I can't deal with this and I'm young. Me no want to stress out me young there, but the way I bring problem to me. Me not fuck for you, me not suck for you, me not lick, me not bite pan blood clot. You married to blood clot me. You can't stand me, but you want me car? Bring me car, come give me. But you walk with 7 man behind you and chin brother in front of you. Come kill me, dirty blood clot, me mama ball. Make she bury me. Come here, stand up for my blood clot self. I Rachel blood clot money buy my car, do it. I mean, you got a bank. But for the dead left blood clot riches do it. You're fucking rude. And I say you do things where you want to smile blood clot, me do tell the world say you grudge me from my strength and my power. But me grow about at this time I drop down far. You know there are no blood clot Canada, bomba will do it. Bring my pity vehicle them and my grandpity them vehicle come with my old blood clot self. Nobody now blood clot help me, somebody will help me now out of this. I want to do it, bring my car. You push a lock. If you don't want to, man, walk and go, man. If you forget half, doing it properly, don't blood clot time me and go like my man do it. And the one of your friend them I walk behind you, none of blood clot and never call me and say something. I say, watch them now. And I must say, fuck blood clot, man. I want to know. Why you think me doing blood clot, sir? Why you do song? What a insult. So you think me want you? After you thumb me in my blood clot face? I'm holding like a blood clot. I want the nurse said to me, say, did you report it? I said, no. I'm a friend and I'm a fighter. Me a part it and him thumb me in my face. I want to blood clot to do it. More I'm a care. My queen. If you can't stand me no more, I don't tell you the night, the evening before you thumb me in my blood clot face. Me and you pray. But take care of another CMG plan. I said, do it, let's pray. Do it after end because you're not connect to me. You not communicate with me. You walk and make beer blood clot complain. You're latest now. My wife now apologize to me now. I apologize many different blood clot times in many different ways. And it's not even about that. I'm in a blood clot perfect. But what you bring to the table make my beer, sir, you turn me in a blood clot monster, do it. How much girl they have in Ghana breed for you now, do it? I have baby and none of blood clot them on your one. Because you not think about DNA, you not think about no respect, you not think about none. You just frightened over blood clot penny and trick blood clot me to tell me it's crazy. Call her, I say do me not call, no girl. When girl fuck and them a side man, them for all them blood clot corner, them a side chick. So you don't make she know what me know. Enough blood clot me all. You hear that? Enough slackness me put up with. I already left blood clot me like you tell me for blood clot idiot. Because my sister, I'm prosperous with you, so I use the bitter with the sweet. Because I say, when I'm coming in my life, I'm an explorer. But married my blood clot, well, wife you want. Remember last year when you run out with tear? And you chat me with tear, you chat me because you still come back and do the same thing. Leopard never change them blood clots, but ask me if me want you. You see what I got to do? Disgrace dent up my blood clot face that every time I look on it do it. Your cocky don't even blood clot exist. I want to do it. You think you can hand blood clot? Big woman you want to not talk about old man? Big blood clot woman. When a young boy feel you can't do big woman blood clot. So I just sit still and just give you a rope in your blood clot self. Many times. You don't know one girl for 10 blood clot years and you meet her and me and you go, don't make me talk coming off a blood clot. I do it. Bring my vehicle come. I'm a dead blood clot penny from shot tree. Who am I account for all of my blood clot penny them? I'm always I say, Rachel, you don't save up your things, me. Me not always I say, you got dead left your things, them. Words powerful. You come talk about me this so much in blood clot people. Anything me get me for them. Me not this no blood clot body do anybody this me. So you sit down and laugh. And you do it, God go with blood clot, you come still love you, but me a warrior dirty blood clot. I show you the power of a strong blood clot black woman. I divorce tomorrow, Dewey. Remember, it a go happen. Move your dirty blood clot. If I divorce me excited, because me I go say all on a blood clot divorce a but. You not tell me for no more blood clot for you. She abused me. She abused me. Do you understand 96 blood clots something you say one blood clot something you kill it. I want to make it out now. I want my vehicle. Me not every scheme, every lame, every organization, that's why I come live. I have enough of your dirty blood clots now. More